Welcome to AP European History at Providence School. My name is Melissa Matthews, and you see my information there in matthews@prov.org. I'm located in room A232 in the A wing of the main building. I am so excited to teach AP European History to your students this year. I know many students are anxious as they embark upon what is usually their first AP course at our school, and I want to reassure everyone that I am in the trenches with the students as they go through this process. And that's exactly what this is, a process. It takes time to master, just like learning a sport or to play an instrument or any other discipline. Practice makes perfect. No one expects someone to be an expert at a sport or at music right off the bat. It takes time and patience. Trust the process and know that I am with the students every step of the way as their biggest cheerleader as well as their guide. As an AP course, this is a challenging college-level course with a lot of new College Board jargon to learn. I will tell the students in the class to try not to worry if they feel swamped in the beginning. Most students do start to get the hang of the rigor within the first few units. It takes time, but the skills they are learning are going to help them so much as they continue their schooling and even into college and life. Also, they can get college credit if they pass the AP exam in May. Even more important than that is the fact that colleges really do like to see that students took the rigor of AP classes in high school when they look at the student transcripts during the application process. AP European History is a challenging course that is structured around the investigation of big themes from the early modern period through the early 2000s. Besides covering the relevant historical facts from these eras and linking these facts to the analysis of the big ideas, the course requires you to become proficient in several disciplinary skills. Analyzing evidence, analyzing both primary and secondary sources, disciplinary reasoning using contextualization, comparison, causation, and continuity and change over time. And also developing arguments, being able to write a claim and support that claim with evidence in writing as well. There will be in-class lectures and discussions, as well as the occasional portions of the lectures that will be done via flipped classroom. I have recorded audio lectures for all of the materials and posted them on my YouTube channel, so students may view them outside of class for reviewing before a test or if they are absent on any given day. Students will be provided with the opportunity to examine primary sources such as documentary material, pictorial and graphic materials, maps, statistical tables, and works of art. In addition, students will be provided with exposure to both factual narrative and to the interpretations of European history from the perspectives of a variety of different writers and historians. Historiography is the history of history. Students will examine how people have thought about and written about historical events over the course of time. There will be nightly homework as this is an AP class. The work could consist of any of the following: textbook reading, note-taking with audio lectures on YouTube that I have provided, reading guides, other assignments like key terms notebook and discussion boards, and sometimes AP classroom learning checkpoints. Now, when I say nightly homework, I mean that's an average. Each student needs to keep up with the work as some things will not be discussed in class as deeply as others. Yet they are responsible for the information. The detailed lectures will sometimes be assigned as a flipped classroom exercise, like I said before, with audio lectures. And then we will discuss things in an overview in class and then dig in with the material with things like historical simulations, historical thinking skills practice, and writing development. So what we normally say with an AP course is to expect to have up to an hour of homework, including reading each night. Monday, Tuesday, Thursday, Friday, if you want to have Wednesday off for going to church, which is fine. That is about average for an AP course. That really is a college level course. Of course, some work can be done over the weekend if you can't do some of the work during the week, but you do need to keep up and try to remember not to wait till the last minute to do this work because it will overload you if you wait. Time management is an important part of the learning process in an AP course. Grading, assignments, classwork, homework, discussion boards on Canvas, etc. make up 20% of the grade each semester. Quizzes and writing assignments, like the LEQs and the DBQs, long essay question, document-based question, make up 10%. The writing moves to another category in semester 2, as you'll see below. Unit tests and major projects are worth 55% of the grade. And then the semester exam is 15% of the grade. That's for semester 1 only, because for semester 2, there is no final exam because the students take the AP exam in May. So the 15% semester exam category is designated for the aforementioned writing, LEQs, DBQs, assignments, as well as a final project in semester 2. More info can be found on the syllabus. Go to Canvas and download the syllabus off of the home page for our course. Please have your student print out the document to keep in their folder. Please read through this document with your student and send in the signature page to class by Monday of week 3. That's the second full week of classes for a 10-point homework grade. Thank you for partnering with me and with Providence School. I'm looking so forward to working with all of your kiddos, and I appreciate all of the families that I work with. Thank you so much.